Okay, so on Anubis, one of the best attractions here at Plopsaland, we're going to start off with a little drop and a very powerful launch. Whoa, airtime. Straight back down. Oh. For our first version, up into another great airtime hill. Back down. Oh. Put through an inner one. Back down. Big course brake run. Now we're going back down into the trees, sweeping through the bushes. Now on our final turn into a 0G roll and straight into the brake run. And back into the station where you can see the maintenance bay again.